In this video, I'll be showing you how you can deposit checks using your TD mobile application. First is to head inside the TD official mobile app and then click the deposit check. If this is your first time doing a mobile deposit check, you'll be introduced into the register part. So click the register button and then accept the terms and conditions for this function. Now we have to go to this mobile deposit and you'll be introduced into this page or this welcome message. Now we have to click the deposit check and enter the information of this check. And how to do it, click the deposit check and tap the account or to account drop down since we want to select the account for this deposit transaction. Now enter the amount that you want and then click the front button here since we will be taking a picture of the front of the check. Position the front of the check and click the capture button. Next is for the back part. Click the back button and do the same on the back part of your check. Now once done, review the information and then click the finish deposit. And then you'll be introduced to this page or this confirmation that the deposit is now successful. And that's it. That's how you can do online deposit of your check in your TD mobile app. And thank you for listening.